A baker taught this secret and I didn't believe him until I made it at home. Everyone fell in love with the tasty result. We are going to start our recipe by adding 100 milliliters of warm water to a bowl. We are also going to add 100 milliliters of warm milk, 3 spoons of sugar, 3 oil tablespoons, 1 egg, a tablespoon of yeast. And now we will mix until all the ingredients are incorporated. Now we will add 100 grams of wheat flour. We are going to add a teaspoon of salt and we will mix very well. You can sift it if you like before adding it. Friends, this recipe is economical and delicious. I am sure you will love the result. Once the flour is incorporated, now we will add 300 more grams of wheat flour and mix until a compact mixture is obtained. If you have a hand blender at home, you can help yourself with it. In the meantime, tell me which country or city you are looking at so we can send you a special greeting in the next video. The greetings in this video are for Anthony Hossein, who watches us from Trinidad and Tobago, and another greeting for Dita Richards, who watches us from Connecticut. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Friends, the dough should have this texture, not so hard and not so soft. This is how our dough should look. Now we will cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our dough tripled in size. Let's sprinkle some flour on the clean surface. And here I will put my dough to cut it into small portions. If you've come this far looking at our recipe, that means you're liking it a lot. So leave me the following message below: I love homemade bread, to send you a special greeting. Then I'm going to take a portion of the dough, and with it I'm going to make a ball in this way as I'm doing it. We will repeat the same procedure with the rest of the dough portions. Now here I have a pot with enough boiling water, and here we will add the breads that we made. We'll leave them here for 3 minutes, then turn them over. Friends, this process will make our breads have a crispy crust and a fluffy and soft inside. Once we turn them over, we will leave our loaves for 3 more minutes. Now we will take our loaves to a pan. Let's cover and let cook for 10 minutes over low heat. After the time we uncover to turn them over. Friends, the fire must be low so that our breads do not burn during cooking. Then cover again for 10 more minutes. And once the time has passed, our breads are ready. Let's move to another container. Look how delicious they look, and we don't need to bake them. We have prepared some bread with a crispy crust and very spongy and soft inside, without the need for an oven. The best thing about these breads is that they are cheap and very easy to prepare, and I am sure that everyone in your house will love them. I would like you to rate this recipe from 1 to 10 to see if you liked the result. If this is the first time you see one of our recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel Gustilo's Recetas for more content. See you in the next, friends. A hug.